Hi guys, it's your girl B Michelle coming at you with another Dollar Tree DIY and also product review. So first I'm going to start with the product review. This is a space heater by the company FITFIRST. They sent this to me and it's a really cute little space heater here. You can use it in an office or you can use it if you're just sitting on the couch or something or on your nightstand. If you want to have that extra warmth, it's a really cute heater. It puts out a lot of heat. It also has like a little feature that if it's knocked over or if it's tilted, it automatically shuts off. So it does blow out a good amount of heat. I tried this product out. We haven't had a whole lot of cold days where I live just yet, but we have had a few. So I did try it out, and I do feel like it does put out a good amount of heat. I think it's so cute. It also has the option to rotate, and like I said, if you do tilt it, if it tilts over or if it's knocked over, it automatically shuts off. You can actually have it blowing out hot heat, but it also has a feature where you can touch it again and it'll circulate the air that's already in the room. When it's on red, when the light there at the top says red, that's the hot heat, of course. But you can also touch it again and it turns to light blue. So that's going to make the air that's already in the room circulate. So it blows out that air that's already in your room. So I think it's a really cute product here. It's really cute. It does put out a good amount of heat. And if you guys are interested in purchasing this product, you will get 50% off by using the code HTDesign without the S on the end. And I will provide a link in the description box so you guys can check it out. If you're interested in purchasing this product, be sure to use that code to get 50% off. And I'll go on to the DIY. So just wanted to share this with you guys. It's a good tool to use, like in your office or, like I said, different scenarios. So there you go. So starting with these little candle holders here from the Dollar Tree, you can use to fix all or any kind of strong glue that you desire to use. I'm not using the strong glue because I may not keep this project this way, so I'm just going to use the hot glue so I can take it apart easy if I wanted to. So I'm just going to take the hot glue, going around the rim of the first one, and I'm joining one to the bottom part of the second one to the top of the first one. And we're building a little snowman here. So it's very simple, quick, easy DIY. And I'm just going to repeat the same step. And actually, I shouldn't have done it this way. You do want to put it on the rim unless you can get it precisely where it needs to go. Because I did end up taking the piece off because I didn't have it on there straight anyway. But you just want to put the glue around the rim and then just fit the other one on top. And then this little top hat here, I got these actually from Walmart. These were $1.97 from Walmart. This is a Christmas ornament, and I kept the string on there that you use to hang it on the tree because, like I said, I may not keep this project this way. You can take it off if you want to, if you decide to do this project. And Dollar Tree does sell the top hats as well. I just like the way this one is blinged out. And of course, with using these particular candle holders, I just thought it was a good fit. So I chose to use these from Walmart. And basically, you just put the hot glue on there or whatever type of strong glue that you desire to use. And see, I'm just showing you how easy that pops off with using the hot glue. And I needed to reposition it anyway because it wasn't straight. So I'm just peeling off that excess glue and I'm going to put the glue around the top of the rim. Then place the other piece on there. So it's a very simple, easy DIY. And of course, you guys, you can make any kind of alterations that you desire to have. I did not put a face on this snowman. I'm going to leave it like it is. If you guys want to create a face, you're free to do that. But I'm going to leave mine just as it is. It's just a little bling snowman. So I'm also going to add some bling wrap for the scarf. And you can also use ribbon if you wanted to for the scarf. And you guys, with my clumsiness these days, this video almost didn't happen. As you can see, I almost destroyed both of them. Well, at least one of them. So I had to be quick with grabbing that one. So anyway, I'm just showing you the bling wrap here. And this is the bling wrap that has the sticky portion already on it. And just peeling it off. It was kind of hard to peel off. Trying to peel that off. And that portion was actually a little damaged. It didn't have like the silver part on it. It actually looked a little black, but I'm going to use it anyway since I may not keep this project this way anyway. So just showing you guys to create the little scarf. And you just want to let a little bit of the bling wrap hang just a little bit just to make it look like a scarf. And I'm bad about taking things out of the camera's view. Sorry, you guys, but just want to position this on here. And you want to have some to hang a little bit over like it's a scarf on someone's neck. And this piece wasn't actually long enough, so I had to just get another piece just to make the little other part hang off a little bit. So this is just a regular bling wrap, so I'm just cutting a row off, and because I used 2 rows to make the scarf. And I'll use some hot glue on this and just add the little piece there and follow up with a little rhinestone, and that's pretty much it for the little snowman. And that's all for the snowman. So here's the final look. So here are the little snowmen. I like the way these turned out. Like I said, you guys can add a face if you desire to add a face, but I just like the little bling look of them. So there you have it. And so thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your time. I do appreciate each and every one of you for taking the time out to watch my videos and to support my channel. It means a whole lot to me. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and you can also share the video. That's what keeps the channel growing. When you share the video and you like the video and leave me comments, that's what keeps the channel growing for me to continue to bring more videos to you guys. I do appreciate each and every one of you for all of your love and support. And for anyone out there that like what you see here, and if you may have been watching my videos for a while and you haven't already subscribed to my channel, you can go ahead and hit that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that post notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos that I upload. And until next time, you guys, bye.